In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from the United States to Zambia on Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account in the app or on the website. If you do not have an account yet, create one first and make sure you are signed in before moving on. Starting from your account dashboard makes the process much smoother because all of your transfer options and saved recipient details will be available in one place. Once you are inside your account, look at the country shown at the top of the screen. Click on it and select Zambia as the destination country. This step is important because Remitly adjusts the available delivery options, transfer details, and currency information based on where you are sending the money. Choosing the correct destination first helps prevent mistakes later in the process. After that, click Send Money. This will take you to the Transfer Setup screen, where you can begin entering the details for your transaction. If the person you want to send money to is already saved in your contacts, simply click on their name to continue. That can save time and reduce the chance of typing errors. If they are not saved yet, click New Contact and select their country. Be careful to choose the correct country and enter the recipient information accurately, since even small mistakes can delay a transfer. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, pay attention to the exchange rate, transfer fees, and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. This helps you confirm that the transfer matches what you intend to send and gives you a clear picture of the total cost before you continue. Then, select the delivery method. The options available may vary depending on the recipient's location and what Remitly supports for Zambia. Take a moment to choose the option that best fits how your recipient wants to receive the money. After that, select your payment method. This is the method you will use to fund the transfer. Once you have chosen it, click Continue. You will then need to enter the recipient's account details and follow the prompts shown on your screen. Go carefully through each page, review the information before submitting, and make sure everything is correct, especially the recipient details and transfer amount. Once everything has been confirmed, complete the transfer by following the remaining on-screen instructions, and that's it. You've now learned how to send money from the United States to Zambia on Remitly.